This content contains spoilers of Squid Game Episode 1. If you don't want to see the spoilers, please watch Squid Game Episode 1 first. Thank you. In this episode, I will teach you Korean words and phrases you will come across in Squid Game Episode 1. If you enjoyed this video, I will make another Study Korean with K-drama video, so please leave a comment about your opinion. Have you watched Squid Game on Netflix? Squid Game is a Korean drama on Netflix. Squid Game was ranked number 1 Netflix drama in South Korea on September 22nd, 2021. Also, the Korean drama has very decent ratings like this on Rotten Tomatoes. If you like Korean dramas or you don't have any dramas to watch on Netflix, I highly recommend you to watch Squid Game. But this Korean drama is very violent or bloody. If you don't like those type of dramas, I need more research to recommend for you. 아무튼, anyway, without any further ado, let's study Korean phrases from Squid Game. 음력, 양력, 양력. 음력 means lunar calendar, and 양력 means solar calendar. In Korea, Koreans have the birthday based on either the lunar calendar or the solar calendar. If you have a solar calendar birthday, you don't worry about your birthday dates. But if you have a lunar calendar birthday, your birthday dates change every day like me. I sometimes have an October birthday party, but I sometimes have a July birthday party. It changes every day.
노인네가 매년 음력을 세가지고
알겠습니다. 알겠습니다 is from Korean and it means yes or okay. When someone requests something to you and you want to say okay in Korean, you can say 알겠습니다. The casual Korean for that Korean phrase is 알겠어. So in a situation where you talk with your friends, you can say 알겠어 instead of 알겠습니다.
왜 싫어? 아니요, 예, 알겠습니다. 아니요, 예, 알겠습니다. 잘했어 means good job and it is casual Korean. In the Squid Game, the main character Ki-hoon wanted to say you did a good job to a kid who helped him get a present from a claw machine. 잠깐만요 means wait a minute. Like in Squid Game, you can say 잠깐만요 to a train driver or even a bus driver. When you need some time, you can say the Korean phrase too. A casual version of 잠깐만요 is 잠깐만. 선생님. This 선생님 does not mean teacher in Korean. This is used to call a stranger out in a polite way. Like when you need to call a stranger and you don't know their name, you can say 선생님. This is polite Korean. There is another Korean phrase, 저기요. Both are same meaning and both are polite Korean. 선생님?
누구야 means who are you? This is casual Korean. 누구세요 is a polite Korean for 누구야. Yeah isn't like a pardon in English. When you don't understand a question or a request, you can say yeah, like pardon. 네 has the same meaning with yeah, but yeah is more casual than 네. Yeah and 네 means pardon in Korean.
내가 얼마 안 남았어.
예?
장난 아니다 means that is amazing or that is nice. If you know some Korean, you might have a hard time understanding this Korean phrase. It is because 장난 means play or joke.
and 아니다 means it is not. So when you combine them together, it seems it is not a joke or play. That is right. This Korean phrase can mean it is not a joke, but this Korean phrase sometimes means it is amazing as an exclamation.
야, 여기 뭐냐? 장난 아니다. 장난 아니다.
Court. Court. Court stems from English words call, but that Korean phrase has a different definition. It means I accept the deal, or it simply means deal. When someone suggests a deal to you and you want to accept the deal, you can say court. But this is very casual Korean. You cannot say this to people older than you.
100만 원 밥. 콜? 콜?
하지마. 하지마. 하지마 means don't do it. And this is casual Korean. You can say 하지 마세요 as a polite way of Korean.
지금 한 대 더 쳐줄까 니 뒤통수?
하지 마, 제발. 하지 마, 제발.
Okay, I shared 10 useful Korean phrases from the Korean drama Squid Game. If you want me to make this kind of video like study Korean from K-drama, please leave a comment. If you have any questions about this video or any suggestion for my next video, please leave a comment too. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. 안녕히 계세요, 여러분. Bye guys.